Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the world of oral care with the Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 Water Flosser. Whether you're looking to step up your dental routine or you're always on the go, this product promises a convenient, effective solution. Let's take a closer look at what makes this water flosser stand out. The Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 is a top-of-the-line water flosser that's designed to keep your teeth and gums healthy with ease. It features a 360-degree rotating tip, making it easy to reach those hard-to-get back teeth. The cordless design is not only sleek but practical, offering up to 4 weeks of use on a single charge. This water flosser also boasts a rapid magnetic USB charger, ensuring quick recharges. With 3 pressure settings, it delivers a powerful water stream to clean between your teeth and around your gums, making it a great option for anyone with braces or those looking to improve their oral hygiene. Personally, I found it incredibly easy to use right out of the box. The design is lightweight and the tips are easy to attach. I love the fact that it's waterproof, which means I can use it in the shower. Perfect for those busy mornings. Setting it up was a breeze, and the included travel bag makes it super convenient for travel, which is a major plus. When it comes to performance, the Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 really excels. The combination of water pressure and pulsations from its precision pulse technology removes up to 99.9% of plaque bacteria. I could feel the difference right away in terms of cleanliness. My gums felt noticeably fresher, and the plaque buildup between my teeth was visibly reduced. With up to 45 seconds of flossing time, it offers plenty of time to get a thorough clean. Plus, the removable 7-ounce reservoir is dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup super simple. As with any product, there are pros and cons. On the plus side, it's compact, effective, and incredibly easy to use. The ability to rotate the tip 360 degrees ensures that I can clean every corner of my mouth with precision. The rechargeable feature means I don't have to worry about constantly buying batteries, and the travel-friendly design makes it perfect for those who are always on the move. On the downside, the 7-ounce reservoir does need to be refilled during use, which can be a little inconvenient if you're used to larger reservoirs. Additionally, the lack of a wall adapter may be a small hassle, but it's not a deal breaker, especially since it charges via USB. When compared to other water flossers on the market, the Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 stands out due to its portability, effectiveness, and design. Some models may have larger reservoirs or more expensive features, but few match the combination of portability, convenience, and power that Waterpik offers. For the price, it's certainly a great option for those who want quality oral care at home and on the go. Speaking of price, this water flosser is definitely worth the investment. With its ADA seal of acceptance, you know you're getting a product that's both safe and effective. For anyone looking for an easy-to-use, portable, and reliable water flosser, this product provides excellent value for money. It's especially valuable for those with braces or sensitive gums who need an extra level of cleaning. In terms of build quality, the Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 feels solid in hand. The materials used are durable, and the design is sleek and ergonomic. I didn't notice any issues with durability, and everything fits together snugly, ensuring it will hold up over time. The user-friendly design makes it suitable for everyone, from beginners to seasoned water flosser users. The pressure settings are adjustable, allowing you to choose the intensity that works best for you. Even the charging process is simple and straightforward, with the magnetic USB charger snapping into place easily. As far as customer support goes, Waterpik offers a solid experience. They provide a 2-year limited warranty, which is a nice peace of mind, and their Colorado-based support team is available for any product-related questions. In real-world use, I tested the Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 during my regular oral care routine. After using it for several days, I can confidently say that it's a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their flossing routine. The clean feeling it leaves behind is unlike anything I've experienced with traditional floss. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. It helps us bring you more great content, plus you'll be the first to know when we post new reviews on the latest products. To wrap up, The Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 Water Flosser is a fantastic addition to any oral care routine. Its portability, effectiveness, and ease of use make it perfect for those who want a cleaner mouth without the hassle. If you're someone who travels often or just wants a more convenient way to floss, this is definitely worth considering. I'd highly recommend it to anyone looking for a reliable, portable water flosser. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, you can find the link to purchase this product in the comments box below. Feel free to ask any questions about the Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 or share your own thoughts if you already own it. Happy flossing!